Today, we will discuss a technological marvel that aims to redefine our understanding of natural language processing. Meta's latest strike in the world of artificial intelligence, Meta GPT, is positioned to empower companies with advanced text analysis and related services. This cutting-edge AI model is poised to outshine its predecessor, Llama 2, released mere months ago by several magnitudes in terms of capability. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating architecture and functionalities of Meta GPT to find out what makes it so unique. So sit back and hit the subscribe button. Meta's CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, aims to re-establish the company as a dominant force in the field of AI, bridging the gap with competitors who have surged ahead in the generative AI domain, like Apple, with its significant investments in perfecting its Ajax AI model. While Llama 2 found its home on Microsoft's Azure cloud computing platform, Meta is charting a new course for this AI model. Their strategy involves leveraging their own robust infrastructure for model training. Meta is procuring NVIDIA's high-performance H100 chips dedicated to AI training to bolster this endeavor, as well as actively constructing data centers to provide the computational muscle required to train this formidable AI model. Meta GPT will be open source and freely accessible for companies to develop AI-powered tools, following in the footsteps of Meta's previous AI offerings. However, this approach has its potential pitfalls. Concerns loom over issues such as the use of copyrighted information and the propagation of misinformation, underscoring the complex landscape of open-source AI. Architecture. Central to the remarkable capabilities of Meta GPT lies the transformative power of the transformer architecture, a truly revolutionary force within the realm of neural networks. Far more than a set of algorithms, the transformer architecture represents a seismic shift in how machines understand and process language. At its core, it leverages a concept known as self-attention, a groundbreaking mechanism akin to the human brain's selective focus on relevant information. To paint a vivid picture for you, imagine when you read a sentence, you know not all words in that sentence are created equal in terms of importance. Some words are pivotal in conveying the central message, while others provide context or nuance. The transformer architecture mimics this cognitive process by dynamically assessing and weighing the significance of each word within a sentence. This contextual awareness empowers Meta GPT with an unprecedented ability to decipher the intricate web of relationships and meanings concealed within the text. The transformer architecture acts as a master puzzle solver. It knows precisely which pieces to prioritize, piecing together the complete picture of context and meaning. This profound understanding of language unlocks Meta GPT's capacity to comprehend and generate text with remarkable finesse. It enables the model to craft human-like responses, translate languages fluently, and even compose creative content across various genres. Training dataset. The model's unparalleled capabilities are underpinned by an extraordinary training dataset. This colossal dataset comprises an astounding 400 billion words, dwarfing the already substantial corpus used to train its predecessor, GPT-3, by a staggering factor of 100. However, it's not just about sheer volume. Quality is the cornerstone of this expansive dataset. Rigorous and meticulous filtering processes have been implemented to ensure this vast linguistic repository remains free from noise, spam, or misinformation distortions. This careful curation guarantees that Meta GPT's understanding and generation of text are not only extensive, but also remarkably precise. Technical specifications. With a staggering 175 billion parameters, Meta GPT stands as a formidable challenger in the realm of large language models. But to appreciate these parameters, we need to understand what they are and why they matter. A parameter is a finely tuned instrument within the neural network, akin to a musical instrument's strings. Each parameter represents a degree of freedom that allows the model to adapt, learn, and respond to different patterns and nuances within language. They serve as the neural network's language knobs, allowing it to fine-tune its understanding and generation of human-like text. In simpler terms, the more parameters a model possesses, the more intricately it can capture the subtleties of language. It's the same as a musician having an expansive array of strings on their instrument. With more strings, they can produce a wider range of notes and melodies, creating richer and more complex compositions. In the context of Meta GPT, its colossal parameter count empowers it with a profound capacity to comprehend the nuances of language, grasp context with exceptional precision, and generate text that not only mimics human writing but also exhibits a remarkable degree of creativity and coherence. These parameters act as the model's building blocks, enabling it to navigate the intricacies of language easily. Meta GPT's adaptability and prowess are not solely a product of its architecture and extensive training data, but also a consequence of its versatile hardware foundation. This multifaceted approach to hardware deployment is pivotal to the model's exceptional performance and ability to excel in diverse computational environments, unlike in Meta's previous endeavors. To learn more about them, check out our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hardware versatility. Meta GPT harnesses the power of NVIDIA graphics processing units, GPUs, in order to gain access to immense computational resources, enabling it to crunch through vast amounts of data and complex mathematical operations at lightning speed. It also uses Google's Tensor Processing Units, TPUs. These custom-designed hardware accelerators are explicitly tailored for machine learning workloads. By incorporating Google TPU v4s into its training infrastructure, Meta GPT can access cutting-edge hardware that specializes in accelerating deep learning tasks. This inclusion bolsters the model's efficiency and enables it to handle complex language processing tasks with unparalleled precision. The synergistic use of both NVIDIA GPUs and Google TPU v4s ensures that the model can seamlessly adapt to various computational environments, regardless of their intricacies. Testing. Meta GPT underwent rigorous testing across various benchmark challenges, like the GLUE benchmark, to test its proficiency. This benchmark assesses natural language understanding and is made up of 9 diverse tasks, including question answering, sentence summarization, and natural language inference. The model excelled, achieving an average score of 90.1%, surpassing the previous state-of-the-art score of 89.7%. The model also went through the SuperGLUE benchmark. As a general language understanding benchmark, SuperGLUE features tasks like natural language inference, question answering, and common sense reasoning. Meta GPT once again showcased its strength by achieving an average score of 87.3%, surpassing the previous score of 86.4%. The model also proved efficient in answering questions drawn from 5,758 Google Web search queries. Meta GPT was also tested in real-world scenarios, like generating social media posts. Meta GPT seamlessly crafted posts for platforms like Facebook and Instagram, covering a wide range of topics. Impressively, human users found them not only informative but also engaging. The model also flexed its linguistic muscles by translating text between English and French. Human translators lauded these translations for its accuracy and fluency. In the world of software development, Meta GPT wrote code in programming languages like Python and Java. The generated code was not only correct, but very efficient, showcasing the model's potential in aiding software development processes. Meta GPT remains a work in progress, and its real-world application is still a subject of exploration and refinement. As it advances and evolves, it holds the promise of revolutionizing a multitude of applications across diverse domains. Still, the extent of its transformative potential in practical scenarios is yet to be fully realized. Plans for Meta GPT. Meta is committed to the continuous improvement of Meta GPT, following their vision to make this powerful tool accessible to a global audience, offering it for free to drive innovation and creativity across various fields. However, the immense power of Meta GPT also raises ethical concerns. The potential for misuse by malicious actors is a valid apprehension, Meta recognizes these challenges and is implementing stringent measures to ensure responsible and ethical usage of this technology, including careful monitoring and oversight. The future of AI is bright, and Meta GPT is standing as a shining beacon of progress in this field. That ends our exploration of Meta GPT. Remember to tell us what you think in the comments, and we look forward to your engagement as we dive into more exciting topics in our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.